Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to send the location on WhatsApp. So what you're going to have to do is to simply open WhatsApp and then simply open any conversation. And then what you're going to have to do is to simply tap on this plus button on the left side. And as you can see, you're going to have this option to send the location. So simply tap on location. And then after that, what you're going to have to do is to simply make sure that your address is correct, and then simply tap on share live location. And then here you can simply choose the time. So if you want to share your live location for 15 minutes or for 1 hour or for 8 hours, so and then simply tap on share, and basically that's all you have to do. So now if they tap on the location, they can see where you are. Now if you want, you can simply tap on stop sharing and then tap on stop sharing again, and as you can see, live location ended. So basically they are not going to be able to see it anymore. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.